I'm Anthony F. Elmore, President and founder of the Proud Black Buddhist World Association. We're here today to bring you another exciting Black Buddhist lecture. Our lecture today is called, What is a Proud Black Buddhist? We Proud Black Buddhists are not a race, but we are a Black Buddhist cultural organization that practice the Lotus Sutra, inclusive of Black history, culture, and language. There is a difference between a Black Buddhist and a proud Black Buddhist. You see, a Black Buddhist, as opposed to a proud Black Buddhist, they accept the fact of whites or Japanese, Asians and whites, and even Black people who extricate all Black Buddhist history, culture, and language from the Buddhist teachings. We at the Proud Black Buddhist World Association do not accept the extrication of our history, our culture, and our language from the Buddhist teachings. Now, we study the teachings of the 13th century Black Buddhist sage, Nichiren Shoshu. Now, a proud Black Buddhist life or Buddhist practice is not steered by Asians or whites who extricate Black history, culture, and language from Buddhist teachings. In fact, proud Black Buddhists make Black history and culture a part of our Black Buddhist practice, or rather a part of our Buddhist practice. Now, Buddhism is not some Asian sitting on a mountain meditating, nor is Buddhism has anything to do with Asians. In fact, you see, Buddhism, or the teachings of the Buddha, or the highest teachings of the Buddha, is the Lotus Sutra. Now, the Lotus Sutra deals with the law of cause and effect, and Buddhism is a teachings that teach us about the absolute law of cause and effect, and we follow the Lotus Sutra. Let's get you to understand this. See, the essence of the Lotus Sutra is the title. The title of the Lotus Sutra is Yo-Ho Renge Kyo. Now, that the Buddha first intoned Yo-Ho Renge Kyo. Now, the essence of the Lotus Sutra is the title, Yo-Ho Renge Kyo. Now, the 13th century Black Buddhist sage, Nichiren, infused the word Namu. Now, the word Namu is a Pali. Pali is the Black language of the Black people of ancient India. Now, there's a Pali word called Namu. Namu means to awaken. Now, the word Yo means correct, and the word Ho means law. Now, the word Renge is a symbol that represents the lotus flower, where the flower and the seed come together. That is a symbol that represents the law of cause and effect. Now, the word Kyo means the sutra, or it means the teachings. The word Kyo means the voice, or it represents not only all the teachings of the Buddha, but the word Kyo represents all the teachings of the universe. Now, we who study Buddhism study the teachings from the Black Buddhist sage, Black Buddhist Japanese sage, Nichiren Shoshu. Now, Nichiren Shoshu teaches Buddhism based upon teachings called the Gosho. Now, the Gosho are letters that Nichiren wrote to teach his disciples Buddhism. So, the Buddhist teachings is about the law of cause and effect. Now, the law of cause and effect can manifest itself. You don't have to study the teachings of Buddhism, because all of the universe, or all the happenings of the law of cause and effect, is Buddhism. Now, so when the Buddha or the highest teachings manifest, it manifests as an enlightenment. So when you hear a teaching from a Dr. Martin Luther King, see, the higher teachings or an enlightened teachings manifest a Buddhahood, whereas a lower teachings manifest what we call delusion. See, we practice and we chant Nam Myoho Renge Kyo to bring out our higher teachings or to bring out our higher self that exists within us. Now, this is called Myo or correct teachings, Myoho or the correct law, and we awaken to the correct law. Now, we at the Proud Black Buddhist World Association infuse our black history, culture, and language into our Buddhist practice. See, the way that we teach black people to awaken their Buddhist faith is through finding inspiration through our black history, culture, and language. When I learned the history of the Buddha and Buddhism, and I learned that the Japanese who was teaching us Buddhism, they extricated all black Buddhist history, culture, and language from Buddhism, I was through, because I would not accept anybody who insult the history of my ancestors, who insult truth, who perpetuate ignorance. You see, to teach something and to purposefully extricate one group's history, that is thievery. Now, there you got it. What is a proud black Buddhist? A proud black Buddhist is not a race. We are an organization on a people who make our black history, culture, and language a part of our Buddhist practice. Anyway, I am Anthony F. Elmore, President and founder of the Proud Black Buddhist World Association. Thank you very much.
Tell me what your line I see. Disregard what the facts may be. Tell me what your line I see. Disregard what the facts may be. Tell me what your line I see. Disregard what the facts may be. All ancient icons show a simple fact. They all show that the Buddha was black. I believe in facts and Ikeda was wrong. Buddha was no Aryan. This song saw the history, but those who rewrite history. Brothers and sisters, there's something to understand. It was 1,000 years as the Buddhist dealt his teaching right in Japan. Let me tell you something that makes sense. The Buddhist teachings did not start in the Orient. Those of you make a religious decision, the Buddhist teaches no ancient religion. The Buddhist religion has a lot of mystery. Ancients took out all the black Buddhist history. Let me lay on you the history and the facts. Look at the ancient Buddhist statues, is always black. Let me lay this on you, all the black Buddhist history, and take out all the Buddhist mystery. The land today they call India. In the old days, it was called Eastern Ethiopia. The first people in the land were called Dravidian. The same people today we call Nubian. India is the land where we find the birth of racism. It all started in a religion called Brahmanism.